Hi and welcome back to Channeling Luxury with Dani B. Today I want to show you the new Deauville Tote from Chanel. Different style, and I want to show you the comparison between the medium and the small and the new size that they have out. I just saw it released maybe a month or so ago in rose. I've seen it, this is the first one and only one that I've seen in black. I picked it up at Bloomingdale's in New York City. And so let me just show it to you. I already unboxed it. I know it's horrible, but this is my official unboxing. This is the new Deauville Tote. And you can see the pattern on this is very much like the bowling bag style, which I think is pretty cool for those of you who like that. It's got a nice pattern to it without being tweed. I love tweed, but it's got a nice pattern to it. And the Chanel is not so in your face. So for those of you who maybe weren't fans of like the sequin denim that came out a couple years ago, that was a big no for me. I tried it and I couldn't deal with it. This one has some interesting intricacies that others don't have. This is what I unboxed with. So it does have a little pouch inside, matching pouch, and it's tethered inside, and the clip to unhook it's actually right here, and it's silver hardware. So this bag is silver hardware. Yay, finally. My other guys are gold, but this one is silver, which I think is honestly makes it look really sharp. And it does have inside, the pockets are, everything looks like it's like a linen color, right? So I think it looks really nice. It's gonna be probably a little harder to keep clean. I know some of you ladies use inserts, and I haven't done that yet, but I might start as well. But I think it looks really nice inside, very sharp. The Chanel emblem looks really clean and good. Pockets inside. So also a zippered pocket, of course, on the other side. And then the typical pieces that come together, right? In the middle right now, my snap. The closures on the other ones are different. They tend to like snap with ease. This one actually has a fitting. You need to get it into the fitting. So it's not as easy to close, but I think it's more sturdy once you get it in there. So I think this particular bag is super fantastic for travel. I'm gonna try it on an upcoming trip. If you check out my channel, Luxury Trip Girl, you'll see what I end up bringing in terms of luggage and handbags and so on when I'm traveling. So how does it compare? Let me show you my other guys. My poor flowers just dumped right over. So this one here is my small, also like kind of gray and black, right? This is my small Deauville, and it's pretty well used, and the fabric feels pretty run down. It's only a couple years old too, but definitely has had its share of usage. And then this is I know this is gonna seem really silly. To be honest, I thought this was more gray than black until I put them together and realized I kind of have two black Deauville totes. But this is the old, I'm gonna call it old medium, but it's actually the same bag. Well, okay, it's not the same bag, but it's in between sizes. This one is a totally new style and new size. But this is the closest that they had to it, right? This was the medium bag. One of the complaints about this bag, which they fixed, is that you only got the handles on the large bag, and the large is really huge. So this one is my old one, and it's a typical size medium, long handles, right? And that's all. Inside, similar design, couple of pockets, but it's black, so easier to keep clean, and zippered pocket here. So really similar. As I was saying about the snap, it's the magnetic closure was on the outside, so it was very easy to snap closed. The new one's harder. By the way, this feels lighter. The old one feels lighter and thinner. This one feels more heavy duty. Might be a good thing for travel, might not sag as much. They are different in size. So if you look at these together, you will see that the old style is taller, but they are just about the same length. The old style is about an inch longer. So old style is taller and old style is longer, but it's not the same as the size small. So it is a new size in between. The official tag, I'll post a picture of it, says small shopping under 31 centimeter, black. The retail is $3,700. This is the new small. So I don't know if they're gonna continue this size and style. It'll be mini, it'll be extra small, I have no idea. I just know that this one here has this handle, right? So it didn't have this in the past. We couldn't get this handle on anything except the large. And this is the first time I've ever seen them do it with a handle on the top. So for me, that was a primary reason to go for it. It's nice to be able to toss it over your arm and not be fishing around for straps, particularly when you're traveling. So how does it look in terms of a mod shot? Let me see what you think, what you ladies think. So I'm 5'4", 120 pounds now for reference, so, and going up. So here is what the bag looks like on my body. To me, this is better than any of the other Deauville's in terms of its size and how it actually looks on the body. And then of course, when you add the straps, you get it to be around here, right? So is it gonna hold my laptop? Honestly, this is probably a better choice for laptop and travel than this one. But I definitely think this is a great tote. It's super versatile, and it's gonna actually be nice not to have to fish around with the depth that the other one has that I've been using when I travel. So we'll see how this one goes. He'll get his run here pretty soon. And in terms of actual size, to give you the exact dimensions, the Deauville Medium is 16.5 inches long, and the new Deauville Small is 15 inches long, so 1.5 inches. And then on height, the Deauville Medium is 11 inches roughly, and the new one is, yeah, it's about 1.5 inches less, about 9.5 inches. So there we go, the medium, the new small, and the old small. So I'd love to know what you think. Are you gonna buy the new one? What do you wish they would do? Only thing I wish on this one is that the inside was black or gray, just to keep it looking fresh longer. But what do you all think? Look forward to your comments. And if you find this content useful, it would help me a lot if you would hit the subscribe button. And if you want to be notified of new content, hit the bell icon as well. Thank you so much for watching.